Oh, hello, friends. So we're back doing another live. We did a live yesterday on IG and didn't know how to save it, so we couldn't share it very much everywhere. So we're going to do another live here on Facebook. Hopefully, I learn how to save this after this video. But this live session is because I have a couple of announcements. I don't know if I like this filter or not, but anyways, I guess we're rolling with it. First announcement is that, as you guys know, we're living it. What's going on is we're deciding to voluntarily close next week for 10 days, March 23rd, Monday, to April 2nd. To April 1st. We'll be back to work on April 2nd if the situation permits us to. I know it's not a mandate for us to close, but we're doing it voluntarily to close to help flatten the curve and just for everyone's safety. That's not my first announcement. And my second announcement, I have fun things to share, is this is our what's the switching thing? There you go. I have to move it. See this? We have prepared for you guys during the quarantine or staying at home or while we're closed, a soak off kit, nail home care kit for you guys. Should you guys are not able to come in to see us to soak off your nails and you guys want to maintain healthy nails during a little break at home, this is available for you. The home soak off home kit is $20, and then you get acetone, you get cotton balls, and you get foil wraps with it, and a top coat, base coat, cuticle oil, and a manicure kit, and a pair of gloves for you guys to soak off your own nails at home and maintain nice pretty nails until we get to see each other again. And we'll be stay open to accommodate to all our existing appointments. And if you guys want to come see us, then today, Saturday, and Sunday. On Monday is by appointments only because we couldn't fit everyone in the weekends. So on Monday we'll still be here. If you want to swing by and pick up one of these kits, the soak off home care kit for $20, stop by. We have plenty in stock, as you can see. Pre-made for you guys. If you have any questions or comment below, and I will take a little minute to set this up. Give me 1 second, and we're gonna learn how to this tripod is not cooperating with me. Do a soak off at home. Okay, I did this last night. I thought it was pretty effective. So we're gonna pretend this kit can soak off both manicure gel polish and dipping polish, and it's super easy and it's fun at home if you guys do it. We prefer to do for y'all, but in situations like this, you can do it at home. So with your nail, just roughen it up, remove the shine. So this way, just break the top coat. This way your cotton ball that's soaked in acetone can penetrate and break up the products. So take your nail file, which is included in your kit, rough up the shiny on your nail, get a cotton ball, soak it in acetone, be liberal with the acetone amount. We give you 5 pounds with your kit, and then wrap it on the nail. Are you seeing it? Is this focused? Or should we do this? Can you see that? Damn, the cotton ball. There you go, much better. You have bigger nail, get a bigger cotton ball, and then the kits will come with a foil wrap. Just wrap it. See that little finger? You can see it. They focus. And then we have these gloves for you. After you wrap all 10 fingers, you put it in, just like we do at the salon. You know how it's done. And then you can watch TV, hang out with your family, read a book, maybe 15 minutes to 30 minutes, depends on the product. Now the gel will take a little bit longer than the dipping powder, because it's porous. It'll soak off a little bit faster. Once it's soaked off, just take it off like nail polish. So here's how it goes. Just remove the wrap. Maybe after 15 minutes, check up on it. If you can hear me, I hope you can hear me. If not, if you have any questions, just comment and I'll get to the comment. With the dipping powder, all you have to do is erase it. Just kind of scrub off, and dipping powder should melt away. Just like you removing nail polish. This is just pretend, okay? I don't have any acetone on this. I'm just pretending. And then if there's any product or residue left on the nail bed, just lightly file the product away and you'll be good to go. And there's going to be a little buffer here too. Use the buffer and a nail file. Just shape your nail however you wish. Shape you wish and like. Trim it and then buff it. And then you can use just a base coat, nail polish, and then a top coat. Oops, shoot. Top coat. And then cuticle oil when your nails are nice and dry. And these are all included in your kit. And it's $20, so stop by and pick it up. While we're still open today, Saturday and Sunday and Monday. By appointments only. Just give us a call. We can always reserve a kit for you. And for the gel polish, it's the same. Oopsie. The tripod fell. Did that make y'all dizzy? With the gel manicure, it's the same thing. The gel will be more stubborn, so just use an orange wood stick and just gently push the product to remove the product off your nail bed and buff and shine. But that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Swing by and see us while we're still open. It's $20 a kit. And remember, we'll be closing voluntarily the 23rd to the 1st. We'll keep you posted on social media. If you're bored, you can reach out to us. If you have any nails emergency, message us. We'll try our best to answer any questions you have, accommodate to you. If there's any nail emergency, message us or your nail tech, and we'll try to accommodate to your emergency nail needs. But that's it. Thanks for joining us today in your live session, and see if I can know how to save this. And you guys have a good day. Try to be safe and healthy. Let me see.